Want an easier way to check the transaction history of your inventory and assets? We've created a new feature on our mobile app just for you, the View History feature. With this feature, users can view all records of their transactions that have been conducted, either on our browser application or on our mobile app. Now you'll be able to work from anywhere. Whether you're on the floor of your warehouse or off-site, you'll be able to access inventory and asset transaction history with our app. That includes receive, issue, move, dispose transactions, and many more. If you manage assets with us, you can view the records on checkouts, check-ins, reservations, and maintenance, amongst others. We wanted to design this new feature to make viewing the transaction history of inventory and assets easier for BarClouders. With this new update, users can find specific inventory and asset transactions by searching according to details such as location names, item names, transaction types, and more. The View History feature is also fully configurable, so you can pick and choose from the most important information that your users need to see. You can customize which information is shown for each of your transactions through our web app by selecting the necessary fields and hitting the refresh button on both the browser and the mobile app. Update your BarCloud mobile app to the latest version now in order to use this feature. The app is available to users with an existing subscription. To learn more about how you can improve your organization's efficiency with our inventory management software, visit our website with the links below and schedule a demo today at barcloud.com.